one teaspoon of hot sauce and
May
1
samok
teaspoon
dyan,
of
eh.
salt. For the drench,
Uy,
hindi, mamaya pa namin i-measure, okay? 1/4 cup of flour, tapos salt, pepper,
ayos na
1/2
sana ang
teaspoon of
presentation
pepper,
pero may
1 teaspoon of onion,
nag-ano yun.
and garlic and
Ay, ganun. Dapat hindi
So,
ko masarap
Doji,
na
can you please demonstrate
Dapat
to us
din ganun.
how to do this? Okay, everyone, and the others, please.
Sige, sige.
Area. First step. First step is beat the eggs. Okay, Doji, beat the eggs there. Here, yes. There. Okay. Here, there.
Zoom ka, idol pa!
Please shut up. I'm sorry. Sige. Okay. After you have beaten the eggs, have you finished beating the eggs?
O dito po tayo ngayon mga kaibigan kung saan magkaroon ng isang gulo. Gulo sa kusina.
Okay, after you've beaten the eggs, Dodgy, put the flour, the 3 cups of flour, into the egg, to the beaten eggs.
One at a time.
Buka naman, that's
No, just pour it. And just
Anong ginawa nyo?
Wag kang ano.
Basta
Beat the
nag-beat daw.
eggs. And then after you beat the eggs, you put the... Bilisan mo ito. Okay, mix well. Mix well, more well. Saglit eh. May apa. Sige.
Meron siyang better sleep well.
And after you have finished combining the two, add the other ingredients.
Hello, Tep KC
according to
subscribers.
In order. According to what have written there. In order. So yung sunod na mix dyan.
allowance, ma. Ma, padala ng allowance.
Wala na kami ng allowance.
Ah, member yan silang lahat o...
Alam mo ba nag-era sa Mindanao, ma?
Well, as you can see, the presentation of HRMC in that laboratory. So, we question, sir. Sir, ano po bang sabi niyo dito sa presentation na nagaganap dito sa ating laboratory? Ha? Shut up ka daw, yun. Kasi, okay, interview.
Happy birthday for you.
Anong pangalan ng inyong recipe?
Crazy crispy Kingston.
Crazy crispy frog.
Crazy like you, like
Like
you?
us.
No, like you.
Crispy like you also.
You're crazy. Okay na.
So, bago lang po napagalitan si Dato at siya'y lumayo. Kawawa ang bata.
Ahas?
O, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Araneta. Araneta Coliseum. Kung saan?
And then add the milk. Doji.
I-upload. Upload mo lang nga.
Egg and flour combined together.
Magaling mo talaga.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding.
Buksan mo, buksan mo.
1, 2, 3, go. Ding, 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 ding. Ay, ulit.
Doon papunta yung takip.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ano na? Uy, ano po?
Aming video.
Pagkatapos po ng 10 taon na pagbit,
May written pa ba yan yung ginagawa nyo?
Oh, matagal pa oh. Marami pa. Sir, kasi i-mix yun para ito magbukol-bukol siya. Kasi diba? May milk kasi. Nilagay mo na yung print. Uy! Naman yan.
yan. Ito ang pinaka-exotic sa aming klase. Siya yung exotic dapat. So,
Dapat yung direkto.
Siya dapat yung giluto. Yan.
Manawagan ako sa aking mga pamilya.
And, oi, listen very carefully.
So nakikita po natin ngayon
Hot
sila
milk.
Chef Jonay.
One half cup milk.
Nag-perform dito sa paan. So,
Then, flour. After the milk, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce.
Hindi kaya.
okay. As you can see, the baboy in the laboratory.
Yeah! May kinain siyang palaka na buo.
Yan, 1 teaspoon. Tablespoon yan eh. Yung pinakamalpira.
Okay, namomroblema po sila ngayon mga kaibigan kung anong measurement. Yun. At pinagtatanto nila. Yun. Nakuha na.
Ano na yan?
1 teaspoon hot sauce.
Milk with hot sauce.
Yeah.
The color is
Then after the hot sauce,
Ang mga gamit ko sana.
Ayen, kakain.
Okay, intermission muna.
then after the salt, 1/4 teaspoon.
Intermission muna dito, intermission.
Ano yan, happy meal?
Intermission.
Andun na sa...
Moy-moy palaboy.